morning, YouTube. We are where?
In San Francisco.
San Francisco. So we are here for a sports trip. It's just us.
Yeah.
Yeah, no camper, no dog, just us. So right now we are waiting for our tour to Alcatraz. Super excited. This is a national park location. So keep that in mind. We are going to be doing the Junior Ranger booklet for Zoe so we can take her home a Junior Ranger badge. Yeah, so we Ubered from our hotel to get downtown. We were going to bring like a rental car, but I just wasn't sure about the traffic and the driving and the parking. So 2 thumbs up Uber. First time ever using Uber on this trip, and it's been great. So 2 thumbs up for that. He brought us literally right to the front of Alcatraz like landing, like where you come in for your tickets. So now we are waiting. We have about 20 minutes before the boat boards. I bought our tickets early online and it was $45 a person. I didn't think that was that bad. So the boat takes you from mainland over to the island. You get to do like a self-guided tour. There's an audio tour and stuff, and then you can come back whenever you want. There's boats leaving like every 15 or 20 minutes or something. Yeah. So we're gonna spend the morning here. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you on the boat. A few tips for you when you visit Alcatraz. First would be to dress in layers. The boat was freezing and the island was freezing, so we ended up buying Jordyn a sweatshirt so she could be warm because she wore a jacket and shorts and she was freezing. So dress in layers, bring layers.
You gotta be observant out here. You gotta open your eyes. You'll see a lot of things that you don't expect to see out here at Alcatraz.
What happened? Seagull bombed.
Yeah, I got jumped.
Yeah. But these people had wet wipes. They were prepared. So. So when you come to Alcatraz,
Pull on your sweatshirt again. Pull on it. I need it. Pull on it so it's like tight.
When you come to Alcatraz,
Bring wet wipes.
bring wet wipes and wear dark colors.
We've been here for
We haven't even done anything. We just walked up
5 minutes.
Oh yeah, a second of the hill. Rude birds.
This isn't coming out.
Good.
We can wash it tonight.
Okay, well that's my very unique souvenir. Bird. California seagull poo. The audio tour that they offer is self-guided. You just go into the main prison area, tell them which language you would like your tour in, and they give you a little headset. It goes section by section, so if you want to go back and listen to a section again, you can. You can take your time, hit pause, stop, whatever. I really liked how they had the cells set up in different stages of time. Like one was, really set up like for a certain time frame or what it would look like if someone lived in it versus someone not living in it. They also had the cells set up which a few inmates escaped from. They had those set up with the actual dummy heads that they had made to plan their escape with. So that was pretty neat too. I'm not going to go into detail about that because you are going to have to go to Alcatraz and see it for yourself. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our quick little video on Alcatraz. It's definitely worth a visit. Make sure you get your National Parks passport stamped and your Junior Ranger badges while you are there. Talk to the Rangers. They are very informative. And have a great time. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video.